Mudhara takuda kumbonzwa musicians enyu amakadhila nawo.
Actually I can't train mostly. Wedzera.
Okay.
Iye Wedzera chaje mbune. Ndiyakatraina inini. Ndiyakapromota ana checks ave Tutankhamun. Ndiyakapromota ana Amos chachikoka. Wepapa muraini muno mchete.
Mudhara Wedzera mupi.
Iye shasha cha minister. Iye wacho cha.
Yakashamwari.
Not a friend, but he was a brother. Okay. A brother, you know what I mean?
Samakura mese Mbare muno.
Wow, sakanaka ari muna samuri wendi muna third.
Okay.
What is going on now?
About the iyo shamwari. Mbonyara zvikumbobvunza zvinhu zviri serious. Saka ko uyu Mudhara Sydney.
Sydney ndakafunda naye inini. Standard 6 takanyora tese. Karenga.
Kupi.
Pachirodzo. Tese.
Gore ribiro.
66.
Chirodzo yakachatobo. Chirodzo yakachabo
55 kai. 54 55.
Okay. Okay.
Ndazobva yava ndobva naenda secondary manje.
Kupi.
Kupita house. Marondera. I was the first break ikoko.
Imini.
Sakanaka ofuti
Saka munogona chirungu.
They are good on chirungu. Andita taigara nawo tichiswera nawo. Saka we used to learn pichana nawo.
We used to bring American in Peter.
You see, first, sure.
Sure, I know.
Koba nyaya maitaura nyaya yechitange.
Which tangi now?
Chakanyorwa on Salisbury chaya.
No, that one was done by Cresta.
Yeah.
Cresta ngeri apa which road is this now? Tangobva pashela.
Yeah.
Pamatanga. Yeah. Papa pani Cresta ndo paibikwa zvitangi zvezvo kango Salisbury zve.
Chinokufungisa ichitange icho.
Well, the old type of life.
Like
that confusing. That in Tangi area, they were being manufactured by Cresta.
Saka life
I shan't day and night.
All type of life might I say all type in.
We used to follow what is there.
Like muchingo itishandiswa nevarungu uchinzi kefa.
Of course, even when I was at school in Iniman, in Dark Peter House, I used to be called Kefa, and I used to answer yes, hello. Yeah. But then I got an advantage out of it.
And
because of
as bacon maika.
Well, with bacon, you choose me. You choose food.
What I know from Mudhara.
You choose food. Whatever you want, you have to choose. If you want breakfast, bacon and beans, whatever. Eggs. It's up to you.
The buttercup.
Please, name. Reminding me of big issue. You see?
Mchikwira ma United.
Yes. I saw here with the Zoko. It is so very United.
Salisbury United.
It's actually a red and cream.
Yeah.
AFM. United brown and
I don't know.
That's Madaf.
Brown and cream. Yeah. Those buses were brown and cream.
Almost maroon and maroon and
there was automatic.
They were not automatic, don't lie.
Yeah.
They were manual.
The AM was
from the 70s. Pane change yakanyanyuitika yekuti kana kuti munhu akabva kana kuti time iyo akadzoka izvinezvi.
Right.
Pane zvanyanyuchinje.
Right. Let me tell you. You were born on that time you are facing that situation. And you follow that one.
Yeah.
But isusu now vakanga vari behind. Tino another technology and also it doesn't mean that I loved the wife. But what they were doing.
But question yangu ndeyekuti pakungoona machinjiro kana enyika chete infrastructure zvokuti munhu akabvakara anogona kurasika pane chanyanyochinje
zvachinja just because you know what at the moment muraini muno maitozikana kunzi munogara nhingi bams up andiri ane taxi angatori registered kunzi bams ane taxi inofamba Roddie na uyo baba wa John Kule Jones
baba Murehwa Samuel
Murehwa aidrivera meya wechirungu kuona murume
koba kwauya kusero kwakajena bams aidrivera yanga iri chikweba criminal aiwa A1 bwana Murehwa aidrivera criminal Rix
please man vamurwira vaidrivera meya
right
ubanzwa vabva vazoenda kumataxi amsho yanga yarixi Streamline somewhere there. Right, you know better because you were in the same. Koya uyo Mbare.
Jena aida ma cream line. Na
nasa akazopa aine ka 120 waikape ka cream line. Akasiya kali pa 120.
Oh je.
Saka mimi saka munoti cream line ma taxi kudhara yafodeka kune vanhu vatema kana kuti
no. They were highly qualified in Guinea. They were highly qualified taxis because even a white man, even a white man would hire that in Guinea, that taxi to go to airport.
Yeah.
Asal when it's almost 30-45 minutes to tap into Mundegi.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, they were the two. Rixi and Creamline.
Fumu.
Fumu came today, then soon.
A1
followed. Was the third from Rixi and Creamline.
Okay.
One taxi. And Fumu, you are Fumu. Because you are my manja.
And this one Fumu from Motor Force.
Mamune motor.
Oh, yes.
My driver motor.
A Vauxhall.
A
vintage, yes. It's a British car.
Yeah.
A British car. Even now I've got a British car and a German car. Right now with me.
Yeah.
At home.
Kumba.
Yes.
Even a shoe. From British.
Designs are mine, man. Hey.
Even a jean. Even a shirt.
Commercial time epic. Fashion manje. Fashion.
Fashions.
Like Bhutsu. I Bhutsu akapenga.
No.
Ayo sokuti muhiti pamakore.
Right. You could have clerks.
Maipeka ma clerks.
Zakasimba. You could put on Baka. Zakasimba.
Yeah.
You buy those.
Yeah.
And then you could find my Germany shoes. I think one of your family used to put them on. Anengaka Kuda so. She Germany so you do the famba man. Panika ya uya ye. But well yakani yakakura man. Bayona ye.
Because my boots is my exquisite zvakazoweka.
I was beetle shoe man. We used to call it beetle shoe. I used to make those, yes.
My exquisite.
Yeah.
Exquisite.
Well, those we just call them beetle shoes.
Manuel of Portugal.
Manuel is from Superior Footwear here.
What about
Portugal? And Pathfinder is from Bulawayo.
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. He is also from Bulawayo.
And
Hush Puppy is local.
Yeah,
it's local, but there are some imported ones. Okay. Which used to come out of the country, yeah.
But where you get the shit?
Farmer shoes from Mbata Shoe Company here in Zimbabwe.
Sevarungu vaipfeka mafama shoe.
Well, they used to be in the veld.
Yeah.
You know what we call veld?
Tell us.
Right. They used to be in the field all the time. Right, grasslands. And then they always need a shoe that can be cleanable.
Okay.
Are you with me there?
Yeah, we mean
that you can wash it and then so that you can put it again or even tomorrow. Okay. That's the farmer shoe.
Neka short.
Oh, neka short, of course, because of weather. You know, those people were rich in body. So they feel very hot and then they need something light.
And is Koma sheti ne matraus.
My?
Kune matedi lapidazi, pergadini.
Perkadini, you know, when I was still very young, and then there is this Adidas. Mudhara. Perkadini was a skipper. He would,
a golf set or a
looks rich.
You see, Mukutaura Da Vinci.
Da Vinci.
Da Vinci ne Perkadini Shakasi.
No, Da Vinci and the shoe. You could be just someone out.
Okay.
Yes.
And from Da Vinci.
Because they were imported.
And
where do you go? TSF?
Come my head.
My capes.
And the capes. Right now,
oh my God,
you're wearing a kangaroo.
I only used to put a cape now. I'm only used to put on a cape. About 4 or 5 years now.
Just
all
for 2 seconds.
Starting a bibo, you know. We used to comb our hair and then with black hair and, you know, all that nice black. And then their voice showing you got black.
Black?
Yes, please.
And it?
Yeah.
Uchifamba mutaundi
chakanaka
ko mutaundi anditi maimborambisa kupinda vatema kwana nabhabhazi maifunga sei nazvo
no
chichainyazoitika
chaitika zvasiyana with today one can come from Masvingo kwaZimba or you know all those remote areas anditika almost kupinda town and you get the point.
Yeah.
He doesn't know achafamba sei because mune mapoto kama mastubimo pamba nemvura mamwe achakatsemwa madrainage yakapwanya. He doesn't know. Saka vanhu kuwanda kwavaita ndo zvakonzeresa chi
kuti town yedu iparare.
Yes please.
Saka ayo mubvunzo wangu ndewekuti mimi maipinda semutaundi maida tsamba kana
no aiwa tinangopinda netsamba izvo taitopindawo titi decentwo and all that usingasvipire pahwindo ka to aiwa you can't spit, you can't just spit everywhere.
And
you got to control your spitting, you got to control your throwing of what you are eating everywhere.
Showground mind.
My God, that place used to be very good.
And muchinona mombe.
Mombe mbudzi, could see a mombe with a double head.
And a mombe.
Yeah.
No, I don't have a mombe. Why should I have a mombe there?
Muchigara mutaundi.
Oh my God.
Musa unaokupi?
Mudhara maitabo. Because ngomana rukanganisa zvatoda kubvunza saka zvinotinetsa.
No, it's okay. Another day we have another chance anyway.
And
yeah, okay. Hope we meet you again to
another.
And
played